everyone, and welcome to Woodburn Corners Burnt Tip Tuesday. I'm Rachel Strauss, and today I am going to talk to you about the Walnut Hollow Creative Woodburner. This is their newest burner to hit the market. It's the newest professional wood burner on the market, and it is a great little burner, and it comes with 4 different tips that I wanted to show you and how each one of them works today. So it's a nice compact machine. The tips are all interchangeable and you can change them even when they're hot. It comes with this nifty little stand that you just slide in, and it can slide in on either the right or the left side depending on if you're right or left-handed and how you like to have your machine set up. And it also comes with this little claw that works to pull the different tips off and to put them back on. So let's start with the universal shading point, which looks like this. And the universal shading point can do all sorts of things. So these are the different ways that you can use the universal shading point to create some sort of pattern or to make a leaf, and you can use it to shade. You can use the tip for little points. You can turn it on its side and get nice, clean, thin lines. There's so many different ways that you can use this universal shading point. The second point that I want to talk about is the ballpoint, and this one's a great one. The ball size is just fantastic, and it's nice and smooth. It's a really great point. A lot of people will use this point for calligraphy. You can use it for drawing, for doing dots, for lines. You can use it for pretty much anything, and you don't run into any lips or any, it's easy to move around because you don't get caught and you don't get caught on any sharp edges. So that's what's so great about a ballpoint. Okay, on to the drawing point. This one is probably my favorite, just because it's also like the ball tip in how it's smooth and doesn't really have any harsh edges. But you can get a lot of different patterns and shapes and things going using the drawing point. And this is what the drawing point looks like. So it's a really versatile point that you can use. And the fourth point that comes with the Walnut Hollow Creative Woodburner is the rounded shading point. And this one's just like the other shader in that you can use it for shading, but you can also turn it on its side and use that sharp edge to get really fine lines, or you can use it to make little patterns. It really can be used for lots of different things. So this one here is the rounded shading point. And you can see it has a little bit of an angle to it, and it's got that rounded tip. So that's another point. And the way that you change them out is so simple. So the burner has a little spot, and each of the tips has a little notch. And you just line up the notch and the spot, and then it really just clips right in, and that's it. And then if it's hot and you're using it and you want to put in a different tip, have a little ceramic dish or something that you can drop the hot tip into, but you use that little claw that comes with it, and it's got a little spot that you can grab on. You just grab it, pinch, and pull. It's so simple. And then you can just grab another one and just slide it right in and pop it into place. Oops, wrong way. There it goes. That's so simple, right? So quick, so easy, and it heats up in seconds, so changing tips is not a problem. It's a great little burner. If you haven't checked out the Walnut Hollow Creative Woodburner, go give it a look-see. It's such a cute little machine, and it really does a great job. That's it for today. I hope you guys subscribe, and I will see you next week for some more videos.